It's time for TikTok PD, using 2 apps at once with split screen on any device. To start using split screen on a Windows machine, open an application. Then, use the Windows arrow key to move the application to whichever side of the split screen you'd like. Then, go to another application and use the Windows opposite arrow key to move that application to the open side of the split screen. You can also do split screen by dragging an application to the side of the screen you'd like and having it snap into place. Then, use any of the other open applications and drag that into the open split screen. Let's share how to split your screen with some keyboard shortcuts. Let's start on a Windows machine. If you use the Windows key and any of the arrow keys on your keyboard, you can easily move the screen to whichever side of the window you want. If you continue to move the arrow keys, you can actually move the window around your screen. This way, if you want to have 2 windows open at the same time but have them in split screen, you can easily use the Windows key and the arrow keys. That's how you do split screen on a Windows machine. To find any other EdTech tips and tools, check out my website, ednewsstand.weebly.com.